The GWMC wide-angle matte box from Genustech is the leading compact matte box on the market today. With its ultralight construction, it is the ideal solution for your location-based shoots. The matte box clips onto your camera lenses easily via adapter rings. It also features two filter trays, one fixed and one 360-degree rotatable for graduated filters. For enhanced light control, a fully adjustable high-grade aluminum French flag is also available. If you need to take your studio production on the go, the matte box easily turns into a smartphone or tablet teleprompter with the addition of the ScriptShade. In just a minute, you can convert your matte box to a teleprompter with the 70/30 beam splitter glass, the ScriptShade hood assembly, and the adjustable device mounts. There are a number of different purchase options available for these products from Genustech, including the Ultimate Bundle that includes the matte box, ScriptShade, height extension bracket, and ultra-lightweight carbon fiber rods. To learn more about these different options or any of the products from Genustech, check out our website at onesourcevideo.com.